the reason why we are donating a brand new high-capacity stop-fire extinguisher to the Oronoco Fire Department is simple. They got a brand new fire truck and they need stop-fire. They were also the very first fire department to trust stop-fire on their trucks. They've used it in a fire to put out a chimney fire, and it's also the department that hired me as a firefighter back in 2009. So as a way to say thanks and congratulations for your new fire truck, you get a brand new $900 high capacity extinguisher. So this right here, you can read the DOT 2Q. So the highest rating that the Department of Transportation will give to a pressurized vessel like this is 2Q in the US, and that means that the canister has got to be able to withstand a burst strength of close to 300 psi, which this would be fine. However, we don't build them for the DOT, we build them for farmers and secondarily fire departments. This right here, we've independently tested it multiple times now. 850 psi is the average burst strength for this. So we want to build this so it can be run over by a combine, because that occasionally happens. What time you use it?
So we had a fireplace, and they actually had a fireplace insert, and then they had surrounded the insert with fiberglass. Not sure who did it, and then they had to put metal over it, and so the fire was actually of the insulation surrounding the fireplace.
Interesting.
So we were able to go in their house, use your product to put the fire out without having to make any damage in their home with water. So it put the fire out once we actually were able to find where the fire was.
Once you found where it was.
Okay.
All right, there it is.
Thank you, Alan. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Around,
So
I'm not sure
would
why.
you put something in there that's flammable.
So why would they put insulation around something hot?
That's what I mean. Why would you do that?
It was very stupid. So like I said that. So you can toggle between.
Okay, we're done. We're done now.